Ever notice how some videos instantly make you stop scrolling just to see what you can catch in a split-second flash? That moment of hesitation is the golden ticket for algorithms because it tells the platform that your content is truly magnetic. We are going to dive into how you can create these addictive, gamified shorts without spending hours manually editing every single frame. Today, I'm showing you a workflow that uses Vizard to do the heavy lifting by turning long-form videos into high-engagement, snackable clips. First, it helps to understand why this format works so well, as it thrives on microgames and the satisfying feeling of stopping on a chosen tip. Before you even open your editor, spend about 10 minutes on a quick prep checklist to save yourself hours of stress down the line. Start by confirming your destination, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, to ensure your vertical dimensions are set up correctly. Make sure you have your brand kit ready, including your logos, preferred color hex codes, and fonts, to keep everything looking consistent. You should also have a clear call to action in mind before you start, so you know exactly what you want viewers to do after the video ends. If you are planning a recurring series, simply maintain a Google Sheet with a list of short, actionable tips in each row to make batching easier. For the content itself, a quick prompt to an AI writing assistant can generate a clean list of 15 to 30 tips in seconds. Keep these tips under 20 words so they are easy to read when a viewer pauses the video at exactly the right moment. The real magic happens when you use Vizard because it automatically detects viral segments instead of forcing you to chop them up by hand. Simply import your long source material, like a podcast or a webinar, directly into the Vizard platform. Let the auto-edit feature scan your footage to pick out those high-energy moments like laughs, sharp answers, or concise takeaways. Now, choose the best clips to build your rapid-fire sequence, aiming for a very fast rhythm that keeps the energy high. Design your text overlay once, keep it in the safe zone at the top, and apply it across all your clips for a professional look. Don't forget to create a simple branded intro that tells the viewer to tap and pause to land on their tip for the day. Finish up with a soft call to action in your outro that encourages viewers to follow you or visit the link in your bio. To maximize your results, duplicate that rapid sequence a few times so the video is long enough to encourage multiple attempts. Finally, use the built-in scheduling tools to drip feed your content over the next few weeks without having to lift a finger every day. For your background visuals, stick to neutral, slightly desaturated clips so that your white text really pops against the screen. Testing different timings for your card flashes is essential, as the sweet spot for engagement is usually between 0.1 and 0.3 seconds. When you compare this to the old manual way of scrubbing timelines and exporting clips one by one, you save a massive amount of time. Vizard stands out because it combines strong auto-editing with a centralized calendar for batch publishing that actually works. Whether you are in real estate, cooking, or tech, this format is incredibly versatile and works for almost any niche. Real estate agents can flash through home listings, while coaches can share tiny habits that keep their audience coming back for more. You can even use this to let your audience vote by asking them to screenshot the specific tip they paused on. Always remember to double-check how your captions look on different phone sizes before you hit that final publish button. This strategy is a brilliant way to increase your watch time and invite genuine interaction without being pushy. Start by taking one long piece of content, like a recent workshop, and challenge yourself to spin out 10 rapid teasers this week. If you're feeling adventurous, drop a comment about which niche you're trying so we can all swap ideas on what works best. Go out there and make something that forces people to stop, pause, and engage with your content today. It is time to streamline your pipeline and turn your long-form library into a goldmine of viral short content.